I've prepared a manufacturing order here in order to produce 4 of the headphones in black that we just activated our serial number tracking on. You'll notice on this manufacturing order, it looks a little different in the sense that we have a traceability option here. Clicking on that, we can see the automatically generated serial numbers that were applied to this manufacturing order. We're producing 4 items, so therefore 4 serial numbers were produced. Going back to the summary page, let's look at the different options that we have when we're going to complete this order. For this example, let's partially complete it and see what the options we have for partially completing are. First, it's going to ask us to use our current completion date, which is set to now, or we can modify this if we need to. Next, it's going to ask us which serial numbers have been produced. In this example, assuming we're starting at the first one and producing through, we'll finish 2 of them. So let's complete that partially. You'll notice we get one more option. We can view the completed products. And we can also go over into traceability and see how this changed. We have green check marks indicating these have been completed, and we have the date that they were completed. Going back to the manufacturing order overview, let's select Done and finish this out. It's going to ask us similar questions, but a little different, starting again with the completion date. We're going to verify the ingredients that were used, and we're also going to verify the time it took to produce them. Let's complete this manufacturing order. Now that this is done, I'd like to look into how do we connect this to a sales order. Let's create a sales order. We'll add a test customer to this. And let's add those headphones that we produced in the last step. In this example, we'll sell 4 to this customer. We'll let everything update. Now that this is updated, showing that we have everything in stock and available, you'll notice we have a yellow warning icon over here under our tracing data column. Selecting that, it's going to ask us to apply the serial numbers that we're associating with this sales order. So from here, I'm going to click through and we'll select the 4 serial numbers that were created in our previous manufacturing order. And we'll select Done. Now when we ship this out, we'll go ahead and deliver all. And you'll notice as I scroll down, when this sales order is opened, it's going to present us with the product that we sold, the quantity that we sold, and the associated serial numbers along with that. Now that we've gone over a make to stock workflow on how we can produce a manufacturing order, make the product, apply serial numbers to it, and associate those with a sales order that comes in later, let's start looking into a make to order workflow. Thank you, and we'll talk to you soon.